Chapter 6: Apps and App Development. Objective: Introduction and Types of Application. How to download an app from Google Play Store. Types of mobile applications. Commonly used apps. How to develop your own app. Creating an app on Appy Pie. Introduction. APP is the short form of application, which is a very abstract concept. Apps are computer programs that can run on your mobile phones, smartphones, or tablets. They can also run on other devices like your PC, laptops, or desktops. Applications that run on your desktop or laptop computers are sometimes called desktop applications. Apps can do things like play music, check your email, set an alarm, take and edit photos, and check what time the bus or train is coming. In simple words, an app is a type of software that allows you to perform specific tasks. Basically, app is mostly used to refer to the software that runs on mobile phones. A mobile application also may be known as an app, web app, online app, iPhone app, or smartphone app. One of the most popular forms of coding in recent times is the creation of applications or apps that run on mobile devices like phones and tablets. We probably use a range of different apps in our everyday life. Apps are generally small, individual software units with limited functions. They provide limited and isolated functionality such as game, calculator, or mobile web browsing, although applications may avoid multitasking too. The first ever smartphone was developed in 1994. It had over 10 inbuilt apps. It was called the Simon Personal Communicator and was created by IBM more than 15 years before. At that time, there was no app store, of course, but the phone came with inbuilt apps like calendar, address book, calculator, mail, notepad, and sketchpad. Types of applications. Apps are an integral part of our daily life. The marketplace is crowded with all kinds of apps. There are basically three kinds of apps: web apps, desktop apps, and mobile apps. 1. Web apps. Web application is a software application that runs on a remote server. It utilizes the web browsers and web technology to perform tasks over the internet. These apps require an internet connection. Web apps are mostly coded into HTML and JavaScript. In this, some of the applications are dynamic, requiring server-side processing, while others are static with no processing required at the server. For example, web applications include online forms, shopping carts, word processors, spreadsheets, video and photo editing, file conversion, file scanning, and email programs such as Gmail, Yahoo, and AOL. The most popular applications are Google Apps and Microsoft Apps. 2. Desktop apps. Desktop applications are those which run on desktop or laptop computer only, and they need to be installed separately on each computer. They are confined to a physical region. These applications make a computer very useful, and they're the things which we use in our everyday life. They do not need web access, and they cost less bandwidth usage than web applications. For example, Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, etc., Adobe Photoshop, Windows File Explorer are some of the examples of desktop apps. 3. Mobile apps. Mobile applications are generally designed to run on a mobile device such as a smartphone or a computer tablet. Mobile applications are quite different from the integrated software systems found on PCs. Here each app provides a limited and isolated functionality such as game, calculator, or mobile web browsing. Mobile apps are generally downloaded from App Store, iOS, and from Google Store. Mobile applications often stand in contrast to desktop applications, which are designed to run on desktop computers, and web applications which run in mobile web browsers rather than directly on mobile devices. There is a comparison given below to differentiate an app on the basis of desktop, web, and mobile platforms. The chart given below will help clear the differences. Softwares: desktop app, web app, mobile app, social networking apps. To use any social networking application on a desktop, you need to open their websites. There is no desktop application of any social networking app available. Social networking app is a web app which can be opened using a web browser on a computer like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, IE, etc. by specifying their domain name in the URL of a web browser. Social networking apps are available as mobile apps where you can download the apps from the Play Store, like you can open the Facebook app that appears on the mobile screen once it is downloaded. Photo editing: there are various photo editing softwares available which can be used on the desktop or laptop computers like Corel, PaintShop, Adobe Photoshop, Capture One, Picture Perfect, iPhoto, etc. Web-based photo editing softwares are GIMP, Inkscape, Pixel, Photoshop Express, InPixio, BeFunky, Snapper, and many more. There are various photo editing softwares which can be used on mobile phones like Snapseed, Prisma Photo Editor, Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom CC, Photo Collage, Visage, and many more. Games: there are various games apps which are available to us on the desktop computers like Minesweeper, Solitaire, etc. Online games are available and you can play the games from the sites like worldofsolitaire.com, games.com, solitairecardgame.com. The Solitaire games, Apple, Solitaire Free Pack, Android, and many other games are available to be played on the mobile Office suites. Microsoft Office Suite is available on desktop and laptop computers, which include Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Office suites are also available online, which are provided by Google and Microsoft. Microsoft Office apps are also available as mobile apps which can be directly used on mobile or smartphones like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. You can also work on Google Docs in phones. Maps: you can download Google Maps on the desktop, but it can be used if you have an internet connection. You can access Google Maps by typing www.maps.google.com in the URL of a web browser. You can download the Google Maps from Google Play Store on your mobile. Types of mobile applications. Mobile apps can be downloaded on your mobile device and used to perform specific tasks. Once the app is opened, it runs inside the operating system until you close it. Mobile apps can be classified into 3 different categories like native, hybrid, and web. Factoid: Amazon is a web app as well as mobile app which is used to shop online. 1. Native applications. Native application is developed for use on a particular platform or for specific operating system. They are present on the device and are accessed by the icons on the home screen. The main advantage of native app is that it can take full advantage of all the device features, like they can use the camera, the GPS, the accelerometer, the compass, the list of contacts, and so on. Native mobile app provides fast performance and high degree of reliability. By using the notification of the device system, we can work offline also. They take the advantage of latest technology. A native app developed for iOS operating system won't work on Android devices and vice versa. However, this type of app is expensive to develop because it is tied to one type of operating system, forcing the company that creates the app to make duplicate versions that work on other platforms. Factoid: WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware, cross-platform messaging and voice-over IP service owned by Facebook. 2. Hybrid applications. Hybrid applications is the combination of both native and web applications. They are also developed for a specific platform and can be installed on computing devices. Hybrid apps are commonly of low cost but requires high skills for hybrid tools. Hybrid apps are often mentioned in the context of mobile computing. Hybrid apps can work even without an internet connection. Like the native apps, they are also written with web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hybrid apps run inside a native container and use the device's browser to process the JavaScript locally. Hybrid apps does not access all the mobile applications like camera, local storage, the accelerometer, the compass, etc. 3. Web applications. Web applications are like native applications. Web apps use a browser to run and are usually written in HTML5, JavaScript, or CSS. They require minimum space in the device memory. Web apps are less expensive as compared to others due to a single code. Here there is no storage restriction, but also there is no App Store benefit. Web apps can be accessed in the presence of internet connection only. All the personal database is saved on the server and the user can access it from any device just by having an internet connection. So the performance is inevitably linked with the working of the browser and network connection. Commonly used apps. There are lots of applications available which can be used for almost any purpose. These apps have made our work easier because you can book tickets, shop online, do banking online, communicate with persons around the world by using the corresponding apps available. In this section, we will learn about some commonly used apps like social networking, educational, entertainment, and business apps. Social networking apps. Social networking apps are used to send and receive messages, post pictures and videos, make voice calls, and much more. You can create your profile on any social media app and can log in to your account by entering the valid email ID and password and can update your profile from time to time. Add your pictures to it, which can be viewed by your friends or public depending on the privacy settings. Send personal messages to others, post status, images or videos which can be viewed by your friends or others. The viewers can also like, comment or share your post, so these social networking sites have brought the whole world together. Some social networking apps popularly used are Facebook. This is a very common and popular application which can be used as an app on mobile phones or on web by opening the website www.facebook.com. To use this site, you need to register in it by creating your account. You can create your profile in it, post images, videos, status, and can comment to other posts, send personal messages, and share the post. This app is available as a pre-installed app in various mobile phones and tablets. If you do not have a pre-installed Facebook app, you can download it from the Play Store. B. Instagram. Instagram is another commonly used social networking app which is used for posting images, videos, or status just like Facebook. Users can not only share their photos and videos but also add captions, apply filters, tweak settings, explore, and do much more in this type of app. C. Snapchat. Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app which is used to send messages to others. In this application, the photos or messages are removed itself after it is opened. If someone takes a screenshot, then the recipient will get a notification of it. This app provides various features using which you can add fun filters, use special texts, draw with secret colors, change rear-facing camera with front-facing camera, and much more. D. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a messaging and voice app over IP service which is owned by Facebook. This service can be used to send and receive text messages instantly, send location details, send images, voice and video calling, forwarding messages. It provides a very simple interface and easy to use features. E. Twitter. Twitter is a social networking site which is used to post small messages known as tweets. These tweets can be 280 characters long, which was initially restricted to 140 characters. This application has 100 million daily active users with 500 million tweets daily. LinkedIn. This app is used for sharing business and professional information. It is especially designed for the business community. It is used by both the employers and the job seekers to post the jobs and search for the candidates for the potential jobs and to find the right job vacancies as well. Educational apps. Educational apps have made a mark in the field of learning. These applications are very useful for students, parents, and teachers also. Using these apps, the education can be to the remote and rural areas. Students from remote areas can access the high-quality study materials and learning concepts by using educational apps on their mobile phones. Various mobile app developers have launched trendy and engaging apps to make the education and learning interesting through gamification. The combination of education and technology has provided great results in the field of learning. It is found to be an attractive way of learning for the students, and it is interesting to note that the number of students who use educational apps are increasing. Tech tip. According to a study, more than 20 million students use Google Apps for education and 73% of teachers access digital content from their handheld mobile device. Benefits of educational apps. Education has become interesting with the transformation of teaching methods to videos and gamification. Students now have the options to learn through ebooks and educational apps rather than from a library. Educational apps are available 24/7 hours, so everyone can take advantage of it at any time suitable to them. There are various students who hesitate to ask questions in a classroom, so this helps to resolve their queries and can also rewind the lesson if required. You can get variety of books and notes online, so there is no need to buy the books from the market. This app is also beneficial for the parents as they can monitor the progress of the study and the progress made by the child. Education is not confined to the classroom alone. You can take your learning in your hands and can study at any point of the day. Various commonly used educational apps are Duolingo, Photomath, Quizlet, Lumosity, Khan Academy, Coursera, Byju's, etc. Entertainment apps. Entertainment apps include the apps for chatting, listening songs, watching serials and movies, and searching events online. Many of such application contents are freely available, but some apps charge some fees for their services. These applications are used for the entertainment of the people to make them relax in their free time. Some commonly used entertainment apps are a Hotstar. It is a streaming service which provides the most popular streaming channels from the Star India group. It is a popular source of watching the Indian TV contents online. B. Netflix. Netflix is another streaming service which is used to watch the award-winning TV shows, documentaries, and movies online. You can watch unlimited contents online without a single commercial. C. Dubsmash. It is another entertaining application which allows its users to choose a video or sound from the movie and record their video dubbing on it. D. Google Play Music. This is a music and podcast streaming application which can be used to listen music and songs through a web player and mobile apps. E7. It is an Indian music streaming service which distributes Bollywood, English, and other regional Indian music all over the world. Google Podcasts. Google Podcasts is a podcast player which is used to listen podcasts. This app is available for Android users where they can use this app to subscribe to any podcast without any cost. You can also download episodes for offline listening. Factoid. Podcast is an audio file which is available on the internet and can be downloaded on a mobile or a computer. Business apps. Business applications are used to make the life of a businessman easier by increasing and measuring their productivity and by performing other business functions accurately. These can be used to enhance the products and services accessibility, to increase number of customers and improve your offerings. The business apps can be categorized into following types. Categories. Examples: business and finance, Gusto, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave. Business apps for communication, AdApt, Fuse, Pushover, Skype. Business apps for time management, Rescue Time, My Minutes, TripIt. Business apps for mobile payment, PayPal, Paytm, Square. Business apps for organization. E-commerce. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods through internet. E-commerce applications are vastly used by the people to buy things ranging from a small pin to cars and trucks. Everything is available online for sale. People are using these apps to expand their businesses to sell their products worldwide. This service builds a better relationship with the client, which improves the sales of products. Electronic commerce is basically used for commercial transactions by using electronic means, but it is mainly used to buy and sell the products to the clients and other businesses. It has become an important part of our busy lives where we have no time to go to the markets to buy the things for us. You can just sit at your home or office, open your system or phone, use the e-commerce app and order the products, and payments can be made online through debit or credit card or cash on delivery. The company will deliver the products at your doorstep. This seems to be so easy. Actually, you will get all the famous brands and shop with them by sitting at your place. There are various apps available for e-commerce, including Amazon. Amazon is an American multinational company. Myntra. Myntra is an Indian fashion e-commerce company which provides you all the fashion products like clothing, footwears, handbags, jewelry, and wide-ranging accessories from different brands. C. Shop Clues. This is another shopping website which can be used to buy the things including clothes for kids, men and women, kitchen appliances, home decor and sports products online. B. Flipkart. It is one of the popularly used e-commerce apps which can be used for buying and selling various products like other sites. eBay. eBay is an e-commerce website which is used for auctions and consumer-to-consumer sale. This app can be used to buy and sell products online. More than 2 million registered users all over India use this app to buy and sell things. How to download an app from Google Play Store. On your smartphone, tap on Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type the name of the app which you want to download in your phone. A list of apps with the related keyword will be displayed. You can choose any app by tapping on it. Click on the download button and downloading begins. It takes some few minutes. Once the downloading is complete, click on Install button. The app will install in your phone and get displayed in the form of an icon. Click on the icon to open and use the app. Tip. To download an app, if you do not know its exact name, type some description of the app like Games app. How to develop your own app. There are large number of apps available which are used for different purposes. But can you make your own app? The answer is yes. There are some websites which allows you to make your own app very easily and quickly. There was a time when to create an application, you needed coding skills or you should have had enough money to hire someone to do the coding for you. But nowadays there are various companies which have made this process easier for the users to make their own app without any knowledge of coding and programming. There are many that are available to develop an app within a few minutes. The websites which allows its users to create an app are AppyPie. It is a mobile app builder which is used to create apps for Android, iOS, Windows Phone and BlackBerry. There is no need of programming skills and technical knowledge to create the applications for mobile phones. You just need to install the AppyPie app builder and start creating your app. It can be used to create, use and promote apps easily. App Maker. It is a drag-and-drop mobile app creator which can be used to create apps for Android and iPhone. This app is free and safe to download. There is no need of any coding knowledge to build apps in App Maker app builder. App Institute. It is another app builder which allows you to create your own app easily for Android and iOS without writing a single programming code. Using this app builder, various small to medium-sized businesses can build, publish and manage their own app within a short time period. Good Barber. This app builder is used to create an app for Android and iOS. It is an easy-to-make app builder which can be used to create beautiful-looking apps. Any new user having no experience in app building can use this tool to build his/her own app. Game Salad. Game Salad is a tool which is used to create games for mobile or desktop. You can create game apps without coding, publish and distribute the apps using Game Salad. It is a drag-and-drop game creation tool using which games can be created for Android, iPhone and iPad. Shoutum. Shoutum is an app builder software which is used for creating very good-looking apps by using their sleek templates and customized options. App Yourself. This company allows its users to create apps for iOS, Android, Windows Phone and HTML5 apps. It provides very easy to use interface. It provides various features include e-commerce, loyalty cards, photo gallery and news feed stream. Creating an app on AppyPie. Let us create an app for women's clothing named as Neat Fashions using AppyPie App Builder. Open a web browser and type www.appypie.com in the URL. The home page of the website appears. Click on the Get Started button. A web page opens in which you need to enter your business name, which will be displayed on your app. You can change this name later. Click the Next button, which will move you to the next step. In this step, you need to state the purpose of your app. So type women clothing and accessories and click Next button. Next, you will be asked to create your own account to continue. Click on the Save and Continue button and a sign up window opens. Enter your email address and password, or you can log in through your Google account or Facebook account. It will ask you to choose the plan for your app. Here we have selected Free Plan. Click on the Add Features button. A Customize Your Design page opens. Click on the App Logo button to select a logo for your application and select any icon for your app logo. Next, click on Choose Background button. Choose the background image and click on the OK button. Now click on the Choose Splash button to select the splash screen. The next step is to choose the layout of your app window. You can choose any layout according to your choice, say slide out. Do the necessary layout settings. Mark the checkbox of Auto Load First Page. Hide text. Compressed navigation. Now the next step is to choose the fonts and colors. Go to Header section and click in the text box and type Women Fashion Store. Mark the checkbox of Background. Click on the text font drop-down arrow and select the font of your choice. Say Korean New. Click in the text box below the text font to select the color of the text. Click on the text size drop-down arrow to select the size of the text. Click on the header icon color text box to select the color of the header icon. Click on Save and Continue button from the top of the window. Click on the My App tab. Click on the Edit App Website button. Click on the Add Product button. The Add New Category dialog box opens. Specify the category name and click on the thumbnail to add a picture. Click on the Save button. Click on the Add Category to add subcategories and products. In this way, you can add various subcategories in your app. You can add various features to your app, like chat, Facebook, events, share your app, etc. Click on the Save and Continue button. Go to Windows option from the top right corner of the window and click on My Apps and click on the Test App icon. Your app is now ready, which can be downloaded using Click to Download tab. Select any option to download it on Android or iOS version. You can also publish your app at any store where you have an account. A quick review. Apps, also known as applications, are computer programs that can run on your mobile phones, smartphones, or tablets. Web application is a software application that runs on a remote server. Desktop applications run on desktops or laptops and need to be installed separately on each computer. Social networking apps are used to send and receive messages, post pictures and videos, make voice calls, and much more. Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app which is used to send messages to others. LinkedIn app is used for sharing business and professional information. Various mobile app developers have launched trendy and engaging apps to make education and learning interesting through gamification. Entertainment apps include the apps for chatting, listening songs, watching serials and movies, searching events online. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods through internet. AppyPie is a mobile app builder which is used to create apps for Android, iOS, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry.